When you put two letters together in English, you know that they change into different sounds. The same happens in Basque, though maybe less noticeably. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. In this video, we'll look at some sound changes when letters are next to each other, in and across words. Some of these are consonant plus consonant, some of these are vowel plus consonant, but I'll leave the vowel plus vowel combos, or diphthongs, for another video. IN plus vowel. This makes a ny sound, like in the English word canyon. This often occurs in words, but can also occur across words when the IN is at the end of a word and the vowel is at the beginning of another. Baña, baña, miñegin, miñegin, iñois, iñois, sueño, sueño. There are two semi-exceptions to this rule. It seems like this sound isn't made with some Latin-based words like dinosauro, but with others, this sound seems to be optional, like minuto or minuto. Something that can cancel this phenomenon is the letter H, ainoa, ainoa. However, I have heard the sound despite an intervening H, like in orainyamen, orainyamen. You may also see the N with a tilde in these situations, and then you know it's a ny sound. Iñasi. IL plus vowel. The proper way to pronounce this combination is generally known to be lia, lia. However, you may hear it as just a y sound due to Spanish influence. Iralia, iralia. Ilye, ilye. Biljova, biljova. Ilyun, ilyun. When it comes to ILI, this can be really hard to pronounce. Ibili, ibili. So if you just leave this kind of thing with an L sound, ibili, that's fine too. Again, Latin-based words sometimes seem to forego this rule. Kilo, kilo. Filologia, filologia. IT plus vowel. Many times you will find this combination to have a ch sound. Ditut, ditut. Daiteke, daiteke. Though it just as commonly is heard without this kind of pronunciation. NB. NB makes actually an MB sound, like sembat, sembat. Ambiguo, ambiguo. Ambulancia, ambulancia. Double D. This can make a y sound, but I've also heard it with a j sound. This is not found in Basque words very often though. Onyo, onyo. Mayalen, mayalen. Double L. This can also make the y or y sound like it does in Spanish. Again, not that common. Mallorca, Mallorca. Pello, pello. Double T. This is similar to the IT plus vowel phenomenon. It sort of comes across as a j sound. Aicha, aicha. Jack, jack. Tincha, tincha. TS. This is literally the T sound and the slight hissing S sound. Tss, tss. Itzaso. Soriontsu. Tsunami. TX. This makes a ch sound, like English CH. Char. Chocolatea. Lagun cho. TZ. This is a T and the Basque Z sound. Atzo. Suaitz. Suentzat. So, which of these is the hardest for you to pronounce? If you try to pronounce them correctly in the beginning, you won't have much trouble with them later on. Thanks for watching. Agur!